I think today I visited this NOC Center developed by DSG in collaboration with Huawei. I think I have seen a lot of dashboards, but this dashboard is, I think, an excellent. It has a lot of features that you can have the alarms, various alarms that coming because of the faults in the system, and somebody remotely can inform to the customers. Also, there are emails going to the customers. So I think this will help in diagnosing, help in measuring, help in knowing the status of the solar PV plants. So I think it will add value into the solar industry, and it's a good initiative by DSG. I think it will expand further, and also we are thinking also, I have suggested to Huawei that they should have a very common NOC center from which other also companies could buy these services. Okay, thank you very much.